Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature in Simplifi, a fantastic app for managing your finances. If you're tired of overspending or just want to keep a closer eye on your budget, setting up spending watch lists is a game changer. It helps you track specific categories like dining out or online shopping, so you can stay in control without the stress. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Simplifi app installed on your phone or you're logged into the website. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. That's your main hub for all your financial overview. Look for the Budgets or Spending tab. It's usually right at the top. Click on that, and you'll see options for categories and watch lists. Now, to create a spending watch list, tap on Add Watchlist or something similar. It might say Create New, depending on your version. Give it a name that makes sense for you, like Dining Watchlist or Shopping Alerts. Next, select the categories you want to monitor. Simplifi makes this easy with predefined options, but you can customize them too. For example, add Restaurants and Groceries if you're watching your food expenses. Once your categories are selected, set your limits or alerts. You can choose to get notifications when you hit a certain amount, say $200 in a week, or just track it passively. Don't forget to save your changes. Hit that Save button. To make the most of this, review your watch lists regularly. Simplifi will send you updates, but checking in weekly can help you adjust as needed. It's all about building better habits and avoiding surprises at the end of the month. There you have it. Setting up spending watch lists in Simplifi is straightforward and incredibly effective. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments what other features you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.